Hi, this is Pat Sloan, and I want to give you a little tip about how I use the ruler a little differently to trim with. I could put the ruler right here at the top of the strip in order to cut an even straight edge, but sometimes that's hard to see. It's hard to see that I'm actually really lined up and maybe I'm a little off and that this actually won't be perfectly straight. So instead, I'm going to take it down to the next line. And I'm going to line up across here along the top of my strip. And what that gives me is like full coverage. There's no slippage. I know exactly where I am. Then I can take the rotary cutter, open it up, and I can trim the edge just like that.